Nokia 3200 Disassembly. You need a Torx Plus driver size 6, the dental tool, SRT6, and do not bend the cutout cover while removing. Release A cover, beginning at the top side, the window to avoid dust and scratches. Could lead to malfunctions of the unit. Necessary. Unlock 2 clips of LCD frame before removing. Now, UI module ASCII can be removed. LCD connector before separating the modules. Detach earpiece from. Pick microphone at the edge using the dental tool from UI board module. Is underground for the next actions. Lever up. Now, take away connector shield from camera module. Module carefully as shown. When camera module comes up evenly, it can be removed with the other side of SRT10. Take the charger plug and remove Do not damage the spring contacts when removing vibromotor. Now, lift up power key and remove it. Pins. Finally, unlock and remove antenna. Now, disassembly procedure is finished.